In today's video, we're talking about Zendrop branding and what custom packaging, inserts, and branded tracking actually looks like in the real world. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you're dropshipping or thinking about it, branding is one of those things that sounds really exciting, but also confusing at the same time. A lot of people hear branding and immediately picture custom boxes, logos everywhere, and a premium unboxing experience. What usually gets skipped is the reality of what branding actually makes sense, what Zendrop actually offers, and how this fits into different stages of an e-commerce business. So in this video, I just want to clear that up for you. I'm going to walk you through what Zendrop branding options are, how they work, and what's realistic early on, and how to think about branding without overcomplicating things. Let's get into it. So let's start with the basics, what branding actually means in dropshipping. So branding in dropshipping is about control over the customer experience. It's not just about logos, it's about what the customer sees when the product arrives, how the package feels, and whether the experience feels intentional or generic. At the most basic level, unbranded dropshipping means your product arrives in standard packaging with no mention of your store. That works when you're testing products, but it really doesn't build long-term trust or brand recognition. Branded dropshipping adds layers to the experience. These layers can include thank you inserts, branded invoices, and tracking pages that reference your store instead of a random supplier. Zendrop sits in the middle of this spectrum. It's designed to help sellers move from basic dropshipping toward branding without jumping straight into full private labeling. How Zendrop approaches branding. So Zendrop's branding features are not designed for someone on day one with no sales. They're designed for sellers who have validated a product and want to start building something a bit more intentional. Instead of offering full custom packaging for every product automatically, Zendrop layers branding options based on eligibility, product type, and volume. This is important to understand because it prevents unrealistic expectations. Branding through Zendrop is more of a progression than a switch you flip overnight. The goal is to let you add branding when it actually supports your business, not before. Custom packaging through Zendrop. So custom packaging is usually the first thing people ask about. In Zendrop, custom packaging does not mean every product automatically ships in a fully custom box with your logo on it. Instead, it typically means branded elements added to the packaging once certain conditions are met. This can include custom boxes for specific products, but these options usually depend on supplier availability and order volume. Not every product supports custom packaging, and not every seller qualifies right away. The reason for this is simple. Custom packaging requires coordination with suppliers, packaging production, and logistics. It's a bit more complex than standard fulfillment. Zendrop's approach is meant to protect sellers from investing in packaging before a product is proven. Inserts and thank you cards. Branded inserts are one of the most accessible branding options and often the best starting point. An insert is something placed inside the package, like a thank you card, discount card, or a short message from your brand. These are simpler to implement than custom boxes and still create a branded touch. Zendrop allows inserts on qualifying products where branding is supported. These inserts can include your logo, a message, or a call to action like visiting your store again. This type of branding works well because it doesn't change the packaging itself. It adds a layer to the experience without complicating fulfillment. For many stores, inserts are the first real step towards brand building. Branded tracking and customer experience. Branded tracking is one of the most underrated branded elements. When customers receive tracking updates, they're paying attention. If those updates feel generic or confusing, it can create distrust. Zendrop allows sellers to customize parts of the post-purchase experience so tracking feels more connected to the brand. This can include branded tracking pages or branded notifications depending on setup and plan. Even small branded touches here can make a store feel more legitimate and professional. Customers really care about clarity and reassurance more than flashy design, and branded tracking really supports that. Now, when branding makes sense in e-commerce, one of the biggest mistakes new sellers make is focusing on branding too early. Branding works best when a product already sells. If you're still testing products or validating demand, speed matters more than polish. Zendrop's branding options are best used after you've seen consistent orders and want to improve retention, trust, and perceived value. This is why Zendrop does not push branding as a default feature for everyone. It's really meant to be layered in as your business grows. It's important to be clear about what Zendrop branding is not. This is not full private label manufacturing from day one. You're not designing packages from scratch for every product immediately. Zendrop branding is a bridge. It helps you move from generic dropshipping toward a branded experience without needing your own warehouse or supplier relationships. The middle ground is exactly where many e-commerce businesses live for a long time. Now let's talk about some common misconceptions about Zendrop branding. branding. So one common misconception is that branding guarantees higher sales. Branding supports conversion and trust, but it does not fix a bad product or a weak offer. Another misconception is that branding must be perfect. In reality, small consistent touches matter so much more than a perfect design. A simple insert, clear tracking, and consistent messaging go a long way. Branding is about clarity and trust, not complexity. Branding works best when it's consistent across the entire customer journey. That means the website, checkout, emails, tracking, and package all feel like they belong to the same brand. Zendrop handles one piece of that system. It supports fulfillment side branding, so your post-purchase experience matches the promise you make on your site. This is why branding through fulfillment matters. It just closes the loop. Okay, now let's go ahead and talk about Zendrop's pricing and plan options so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. Again, I want to say this, Zendrop's branding features are available only depending on your plan, product eligibility, and order volume. Okay, so again, I just want to make that clear. It's not available for everyone on day one. So just keep that in mind. If you want to get the best price possible, we do have an exclusive link down below. Once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page. So with our special offer, you can get 50% off for 1 month. You'll also get e-commerce courses, so you know exactly what to do. You'll also get automatic fulfillment for hands-free deliveries and live weekly coaching for expert help. Okay, again, you get the 50% off for 1 month. You also get $39 in order credits as well for use to fulfill any of your orders through the Zendrop platform. And then there's also some other things like sourcing and fulfillment solution, so you can kind of see exactly what they do, trending product software, and they've also got automated order fulfillment, and then drop shipping courses by 8-figure experts, weekly coaching calls, weekly office hours, and the Zendrop community. Okay, so if you use our link, you get access to all of that. Then what the actual plans are, so they do have a free plan. You get access to 1 million plus products and you get 24/7 support. Then we've got the pro plan, which is $49 per month. You can go ahead and get access to 1 million plus products, 24/7 support, unlimited orders, custom branding, automated fulfillment, requests a product, and US products. Again, custom branding asterisk depends on the amount of orders you have as well. Then we've got the plus plan, which is $79 per month. You get everything in the pro plan, but you also get $100 in order credits. You get top winning products, live weekly coaching calls, Zendrop Academy, print on demand, Zendrop AI, private product listing, and chargeback management. Okay, choose the plan that best fits your needs. In order to qualify for the 50% off, you do need to be signed up with the plus plan. So just want to make that clear, but you get all these extra bonuses as well. Okay, now to help you decide even further, let's talk about some pros and cons. So starting off with the pros, Zendrop makes branding so much more accessible without requiring a full private label commitments. Inserts and branded tracking help build trust and customer retention. Branding options scale with your business instead of forcing early investment. Zendrop handles coordination with suppliers, which just reduces complexity. Now for the cons. So not all products support branded options. Custom packages usually require volume and eligibility. Branding is not instant for brand new stores, and you still need a solid product and offer for branding to actually matter. Now just some bonus tips for using Zendrop branding effectively. So number one is to start with the simplest branding option first. You don't need custom boxes or complex packaging to start building a brand. Inserts and small branded touches are often enough in the early stages. They let you test how customers respond without adding cost or complexity too soon. Number two is to keep your message short and intentional. Branding works best when it's easy to understand. A simple thank you message or a short note explaining what to expect next builds more trust than a long explanation. Customers should feel acknowledged, not marketed to. Number three is to make sure your branding matches your website experience. If your website is clean and minimal, your inserts and messaging should feel the same. If your site is friendly and casual, your branding should also reflect that tone. Consistency across the entire experience matters so much more than design details. Number four is to focus on clarity before aesthetics. Clear tracking updates, honest delivery timelines, and easy to read inserts do so much more for trust than fancy designs. Customers care more about knowing what's happening with their order than how polished the packaging looks. And number five, use branding to support retention, not just first impressions. Think about what happens after the first order. Inserts can encourage repeat visits and remind customers why they chose your store. Branding works best when it supports long-term relationships, not just one sale. And lastly, number six is to revisit branding decisions once you have data. Once you see consistent orders or repeat customers, you'll have a better idea of what's worth investing in. Use real feedback and order volume to guide your branding choices instead of guessing early. Now, is Zendrop branding for you. It makes sense once you've validated a product and want to improve the customer experience. If your goal is to move beyond generic dropshipping and start building trust, branding is a very smart next step. If you're still testing products, it's okay to wait. Branding works best when layered in the right time. If you want to learn more about Zendrop's branding options and see what's available for your store, make sure you use our exclusive link down below to get started. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Branding in e-commerce doesn't have to be all or nothing. It's something that you build over time. And Zendrop's approach gives sellers a way to add branding without overcommitting too early or making the process complicated. The most important thing is building something that feels intentional and trustworthy to your customers. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build and grow e-commerce businesses with simple, practical strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.